recitation of Rudyard Kipling's poem.
Come on, your recitation!
Sir John's experience in battle, should need no recitation.
I did recitations on Friday afternoons
Would you
at
like
school.
me to give you a recitation at school with Miss
During a
Raymond?
recitation by their poet master, Grunthos the Flatulent.
It would honor my house if you would give us a recitation.
I do recitations. Shall I put my hand up? You do, and
No,
I'll
those
clock.
aren't songs, they're recitations.
Would break into this recitation of Rudyard Kipling's poem.
And it's called if. If is the middle word.
We got a special.
Come on, your recitation! Describe your reconciliation!
Sir John's experience in battle, should need no recitation. You know of him. Some of you have had the
We
honor.
used to say I was pretty good, for an amateur. I did recitations on Friday afternoons in school. There was one piece I had they used to applaud like any.
Say,
I said, can you act?
sure I can act. Would you like me to give you a recitation?
Go ahead.
Skip it. My next act.
Hey, another poem? Same one. Do you remember recitation at school with Miss Hindmarsh?
I can't stand poetry. I was put off with it.
Second worst is that of the Asgoths of Crea. During a recitation by their poet master, Grunthos the Flatulent, of his poem Ode to a Small Lump of Green Pine.
This is supposed to be a unison recitation.
I don't know why I have to do any of this. He's the one who claimed he knew the damn language.
It would honor my house if you would give us a recitation.
Not in front of so many people.
I shall need all the help I can get. I do recitations. Shall I put my hand up?
You do, and I'll clock you.
Well, think it over and let me know.
Yes, she does.
When?
In your books.
No, those aren't songs, they're recitations. But she's not a giddy woman. She doesn't